analyst in Industry Arc. Today we are going to discuss about the topic mixed reality market, slow uptake but better growth opportunity compared to virtual and augmented reality. The webinar has been divided into the following topics about mixed reality and its application, upsurge in the adoption of connected world technology assisted by wearable devices, upsurge in adoption of connected world technology assisted by wearable devices, virtual visualization of product during research and development, easing the complicated design challenges, enhancement in surgical activities carried over in medical sector through mixed reality stimulation and real-time anatomical data, a new level of real-world 3D designing in architectural sector to escalate the user experience, improved graving perception with the upcoming new level of virtual reality, extensive research and development by the industry giants such as Intel, Microsoft, and so on. Moving forward with the introduction of mixed reality. Mixed reality, also known as hybrid reality, aims to combine the best aspect of both virtual and augmented reality. In mixed reality, real-world objects or people are dynamically integrated into virtual world to produce new environment. Thus, we can say that in this environment, physical and digital objects coexist and interact in real time. In mixed reality environment, user can seamlessly navigate through both real and virtual environment at the same time. Instead of residing in the entire virtual world, virtual objects are anchored into the user's real world space, making virtual interaction appear to be real. This interaction also mimics our natural behavior of interaction, such as objects get bigger as the user gets closer to it, or perception changes as the user moves around the object. The advancement in augmented and virtual reality, coupled with surging popularity and increasing adoption of mixed reality in various applications, is likely to boost the market. In addition, the increasing funding and investment by key players such as Microsoft, Intel, Meta company and many other companies also act as a catalyst for the market. Moreover, the increasing internet penetration and technological upgradation has also driven the growth of mixed reality market. The major emerging application of mixed reality comprises of high-risk training in military, tourism, design or construction, battlefield information display, and so on. Manufacturing, automotive, aerospace, medical, defense, and industrial are the key end-user industries where these mixed reality systems have found its application. Some of the major players in this market are Microsoft, Meta company, Magic Leap, and many more. Now focusing on upsurge in adoption of connected world technology assisted by wearable devices. In recent years, IoT market has witnessed multi-fold development and adoption with consumer electronics. Consumer devices such as smartphone, portable computers, smartwatches, fitness bands, smart glasses and so on are being developed to work in a connected and synchronized environment to enhance users' experience. Mixed reality avails an advanced environment with data and information from various types of connected devices projected in the real world. The user is able to interact in 3D space with the connected devices through gesture and voice-activated controls. In mixed reality, the user are not completely submerged into digital world as in virtual reality. Rather, the real world is also visible through the wearable gears. This eliminates the risk of getting accidental injuries and avoid other losses in case the user hit anything in his surrounding. Wearable glasses is the prominent device required for mixed reality, and it works in synchronization with other devices in real time to access the related data and present it to the user. These devices are connected through various near-field communication technology or through the internet to exchange data between the two end devices. Thus, High-speed communication technology is being developed to assess the market growth of these devices. Moving forward, virtual visualization of products during research and development. Research and development of products have evolved significantly from past decades. Advanced 3D software tools are being used for parametric design of various products. In case of highly complex design, 3D visualization not only increases the ease in handling problem, but also troubleshoot these issues in efficient and smarter way. In case of highly complex design, 3D visualization not only increases the ease in handling problems, but also troubleshoot those issues in an efficient and smarter way. Mixed reality, being an enhanced visualization technology, avails a new ground to the designer to interact with virtual product in real-time 3D space. Product simulation, being an important parameter in designing and testing phase, can also be enhanced with the assistance of mixed reality, as the designer have access to minute details of the product in front of them. The design can be accordingly modified as per the requirement to prevent failure. Not only this, mixed reality extends the level of presentation as well, allowing the audience to explore the product design details as per convenience, and can also demand for necessary modification. 3D printing, an upcoming revolution in additive manufacturing technology, is also set to drive the mixed reality market. 3D printing is being adopted for rapid prototyping in product R&D phase, allowing to its production accuracy and high speed. It is a highly efficient technology as compared to other technologies or process employed for making product prototypes during its R&D phase. Mixed reality can be employed to virtually visualize the 3D printing process of these products before or during it is conducted. Mixed reality can be employed to virtually visualize the 3D printing process of the product before or during it is conducted. Moving forward, enhancement in surgical activities carried over in medical sector through mixed reality. In medical sector, mixed reality can be employed during surgical trainings or actual surgeries. Mixed reality can enhance the visualization of the site of surgery by synchronizing it with patient's real-time anatomical data. In case of critical surgery, a virtual map of prominent nerves at the site of surgery can be availed to the surgeon. With help of this virtual image, high care can be taken while using the medical instruments or surgical robot manipulators. Moreover, it can be also used to obtain most optimal path for minimally invasive surgery. This eases the surgery and results in less tissue damage, followed by fast recovery of the patient without compromising the operational reliability. Moving forward, adoption of mixed reality in e-advertisement. E-retail market is set to gain prominent upsurge in the upcoming years, owing to the large portfolio of products available to the customers without the need of traveling to multiple shopping venues. Mixed reality can be employed to take e-advertisement and product info at these retail sites to a whole new level, as the customer can get a clear 3D perception of these products in real time. Moreover, the customers can get detailed 3-dimensional view of these products before purchasing it. This is said to influence the buying decision significantly, especially for newly launched product which faces a tough competition from the mature brands. Mixed reality not only can be used in e-retail but can also be used in retail shop for enhanced visualization of the product's interior detail, or provide customer with more related information which may influence its sales. Mixed reality is not only used for product detailing but can be also used in advertisement in service sector such as real estate, home decor, interior designing and many more. Improved gaming perception with upcoming new level of virtual reality. The gaming arena has also witnessed a vivid transformation from 2D to real-world 3D in present time. Developers are enriching the gaming content significantly. Virtual and augmented reality has already penetrated this sector, but owing to the prominent submission into the virtual world has proven to be potentially dangerous, especially in case of mobile gaming. Thus, mixed reality has significant opportunities to be explored as the user is not completely blindfolded into the virtual world. The games can be played without physically interacting with the device. Rather, the gaming content can be accessed and enjoyed with hand gesture. This feature, in turn, is increasing the penetration of mixed reality in gaming industry. Apart from these sectors, need of real-time training simulation in defense and aerospace sector has also accelerated the growth of mixed reality market. Last part of our webinar, extensive research and development by industry giants. Microsoft HoloLens has already set the stage by being one of the best mixed reality device in the marketplace. Microsoft Corporation in 2016 announced a new collaboration with Intel Corporation to harness the strength of both companies in an effort to expand the opportunity to interact with computers across a wide variety of applications. In 2017, Microsoft has also introduced Asus new Windows Mixed Reality Development Edition headset. These are some of the major developments of mixed reality in past few years. That's it from our end. Thank you for watching. Revert us back if you have any queries. For more information on mixed reality market, visit our website.